Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the high efficiency pictures in this device. Open the camera, go to the camera settings. For this, tap on this four dots, tap on settings. Now here you can see the option advanced picture options. Tap on this one. Here you can see the option for high efficiency pictures. So here you can see what high efficiency picture means. Save space by capturing photo mode picture in high efficiency image format, means HEIF. Some apps and the website do not support HEIF pictures. Now this is disabled. If you want to enable this one, turn on this option. If you want to disable, just simply turn off. So simply in this way we can enable or disable the high efficiency pictures in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.